Hello guys, welcome to all. This video is going to very important to those guys who want to learn options and basic option terminologies. So without wasting our time, let's start. What is options? Options basically two types, uh, call option and put options. But firstly, I want to tell you what is the options before go to the type option. Option is just giving to you right to exercise. In हिंदी या in layman language I will translate to you. ऑप्शन क्या है? ऑप्शन जस्ट जैसे हमने कोई मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस लिया, एक ऑप्शन बाय किया इस चीज का, इन केस अगर मैं बीमार होता हूँ तो मेरे को जो इसका जो भी एक्सपेंस होगा मेरे को बियर नहीं करना है, उससे वो जिसने मैंने पॉलिसी ली है वो बियर करेगा. दिस इज द ऑप्शन. दिस इज द मेन थिंग वी अंडरस्टैंड. एक्चुअली क्या ऑप्शंस को काफी ज्यादा कॉम्प्लिकेट किया हुआ है कि ऑप्शंस के बारे में इतनी ज्यादा कहते हैं आपको मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन दी जाती है कि ऑप्शन बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग होता है. कॉल ऑप्शन, पुट ऑप्शन, इसे थोड़ा सा बेसिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग में समझें हम तो ऑप्शन केवल यही है कि हमें एक राइट देता है अपने आप को किसी भी रिस्क से, कोई भी रिस्क है अपने जीवन में उससे हेज करने के लिए, चाहे वो इंश्योरेंस की टाइम में ले लीजिए या मार्केट में ले लीजिए. मार्केट में जाए तो कॉल और पुट ऑप्शन हमें प्रोवाइड किए जाते हैं. मार्केट हमें अगर बुलिश लगता है तो हम गो फॉर कॉल, इफ बियरिश है तो गो फॉर पुट, लॉन्ग कॉल लॉन्ग पुट, ऐसे से. That's the reason. Or now go for the definition. What is call option? Call option is giving you to a right to buy an underlying. Listen very carefully. The words. Call option is give the right to buy the underlying of a pre-specified price for a specific time period. Two words. Pre-specified time and pre-specified time period. Let's understand with an example. Just a minute. Yep. Now, market NSE, Nifty we can say, trading at 15,000. And my view is the market will go up to 50,000, 15,500. We have two choices. First, we can long call, or we can say we have three choices. First, we can long call. Second, we can short put. Third one, we can buy future. Let's make. First, I make 70, one lot of future at 15,000. Second scenario, I am in long 75 one lot call of 15,000 call. If no one knows why we put CE or a PE according to call option or put option, because in India we trade in European call and European put. That's why European E and the call C. That's why we write like CE and PE. Okay. And the other choices we have, we sort 75, या थोड़ा सा मैंने से गलत लिख रहा हूँ, उस तरह से लिखते हैं 15,000 फ्यूचर, लॉन्ग किया हमने. लॉन्ग शॉर्ट आई थिंक वी ऑल अंडरस्टैंड. लॉन्ग वी बाय, शॉर्ट वी सेल. ओके. 15,000 कॉल at the rupees. Hypothetically, we assume the price will 100 at how much quantity? 75 and 15,000 put. After this example, एक minute. Yeah. After this example, you can analyze what we can do if my view is so bullish and so bearish. Okay, let's be with me for a time. The price maybe I think 200 or quantity same 75. Now, what happened if my view is completely wrong and that during the expiry market will go extremely down? Market trading at 14,800 and 14,700 and 14,000. What happened my position? Let- Let's suppose hypothetically market now trade is 14,000 and I long future still now and long call or short put same. So what happened to me? 14,000 and I long at 15,000. I lose by the amount of thousands points or multiply by the quantity, and the lose amount is 75,000. But in call scenario, call give me a right to exercise my option or not. इसका मैं छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेता हूँ. आपने अपनी गाड़ी का इंश्योरेंस कराया और हल्का सा वो टचवुड ना हो कहीं आपकी गाड़ी कहीं लग गई, तो you are happy with it. I have an insurance, I don't have any issue. So go to the insurance provider who gave you a policy and say, sir, give me the amount, because you choose the option na? In case my car anything had happened and the policy provider will help me out. So just go to the policy provider and then sir help me out to do give me all the losses which I had occurred. So the policy provider told you, sure sir, just go to the showroom and make it bill and I will pay you a bill amount. Just pay your one time fees, we can say 2,000 rupees I think, and 100% depreciation 2,000 fees, paper charge, anything we can call, we should pay. But the bill amount was 500 rupees. Should we go to the insurance provider or not? अगर मैं ऑप्शंस आपका एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ या वो पॉलिसी लेता हूँ तो मुझे 2,000 रुपये एक वन टाइम देने पड़ेंगे और 500 रुपये का बिल है मेरा. क्या मैं वहां जाऊंगा? ऑब्वियसली नहीं जाऊंगा. सेम ईयर मैंने 15,000 पे फ्यूचर प्लस किया था कि कॉल प्लस की थी. मुझे एक राइट था अगर 15,000 पे फ्यूचर मुझे मिलेगा वाट एवर द प्राइस. इस तरह समझते हैं, प्राइस कुछ भी होगा मेरे को 15,000 का फ्यूचर मिलेगा. ठीक है, अब प्राइस हो गया 14,000, मार्केट में ट्रेड हो रहा है 14,000 पे. तो आप ऐसा तो नहीं करेंगे, उससे बोलेंगे सेल किया था कि 15,000 पे जाके बाय करें और देन आप 14,000 में मार्केट से सेल करें. दिस इज नॉट अ वाइज डिसीजन. So you will let me out. You don't exercise the option. So what will be the loss? 15,000 call. You bought it 100 rupees. This is your cost. Just like this, you bought a medical insurance and nothing happened. Cost will be a medical premium just gone out. The losses, you can say, in a call option. Losses 7,500. Okay. Now in a put, You choose market will go up, and I choose a right to buy, to put. Generally, put gives you a right to sell. Sorry, excuse me. Yep. Put gives you right to sell. But if you buy the option, then other one is seller. Seller has a completely opposite view to buy the option holder. If buyer of a put a view of a negative side, a bear side, the seller of a put is a view of bullish side. Same view of long call and short put seem equal. So view of put seller is completely wrong. Then what happened? Market is trading at 14,000, or his view was more than 15,000. The loss will be 1,000 points. Same as future. Okay, so put seller loss is 75,000. Yeah, but we can subtract the amount what we receive, because in the future we don't have receive any amount, but I long, so I pay the thing. But in a short, I whenever anything we sell, we get some amount. The amount was 75 lot by 200 price. The amount will be 15,000. So this is the 75,000 is a gross loss. But you net it off, what we receive, the net loss will be 50,000. I think I'm right. No, I'm not right. 60,000. This is a lot of loss of in all three scenario. Which situation is comfortable to you? Choose or not accordingly. Okay. If this happen, I will go for call option. So, but agar in case is this the only the scenario? So why option seller are here, and why so much strategy go for the option selling, option selling, option selling? What's the reason? I will tell you in the next my video. But currently we are discussing about the options and the beauty of options. What options we provide? Same. This is the call option. Call option is gives you a right to buy, but put option give you right to sell. Actually, before derivative products, only you have a equity, then you can sell the equity. But now, if you have a bearish view, you can utilize your view through options and derivative products. We can say future and options. Okay, and so would give you a right to sell the underlying or pre-specified price on during a on or specified date. Date is before the contract is expired. Expired will be last Thursday is the NSE expiry. At that time, all the option, all the derivative contract will expire. We can say not tradable after that point of 3:30. So I think put and call option is clear. Put option is just give you a right to sell the underlying, and call option give you a right to buy the underlying. Let's move forward. In case any query, then comment. Option terminology. Before we move forward, let me tell you one thing. If you want to learn more, I announced a course which is also a completely free, and that is also live. This is the just a video, and we provide a course just live and completely free to all. And in this course we provide lots of things. In case you are interested, then I will share the link in my description box. You can watch for sure. So this is a quick announcement. If you guys interested, yeah, might be possible the video is not good for you, then share the course to others. But those share you should say uh, you will subscribe my channel. Before that, you can watch my video only uploaded video, not live video. If you want to watch my live video, then you should subscribe. Only you can get the notification. The video classes on weekend, 11 p.m. to 1 a.m. Because today is Sunday. Sunday will be a class. If anyone watched the video today, so come and join me. This is the quick announcement. Let's go for the option terminology. Option terminology. Lots of option terminology. Guys, we are trading an option, but some small thing we have to know. Not we are talking about the Greeks option pricing, but something is just like index option, stock option, index in the future NSE and Bank Nifty or Nifty have lots of options, and just like stock options, which shares are traded in future have also an option, just like SBI, Infosys, SCL, Wipro. There are so many futures stocks which are traded in option. I told you buyer of option and writer of option. Writer is sale, who sell the option, seller of option. Yeah, this is the thing. American option and European options. I told you some time back कि just a call option with in India trading is European option, because the expiry is only on expiry day, which is Thursday. In case holiday, the preceding day. Okay, but in American option can be exercised any point of time. Option is abundant, are not tradable any point of time or on expiry day also. Other one is option pricing. Yeah, we can say premium. Option pricing, if anyone give you a right, then you should pay the premium. If you want to hedge your any risk, you should pay the premium. If you want to hedge your life, go for the life insurance. If you want to hedge for any health issue for a year, for a we can say for a set of time period, go for the medical insurance. If you want to protect any risk, you have to pay the premium. Same here. If your view is right or you want to make a money with a lesser amount, you go for the premium. And this is the premium, option premium, which you pay in upfront to the option seller. Okay, it's the option price. I think clear. Index option, index stock option, buyer of option, writer of options. Buyer option, we can say long option, long call, long put, short call, short put. American, European. American before expiry and on expiry, the strike will be not tradable. But in European option, only on expiry. After 3:30, the all contract will expire. Option price. Let's move forward. Some more and nothing more than that. Strike price. Sorry, strike price, or we can say exercise price. Someone confused. What is strike price? Strike price is nothing. Strike price is just we are agree to buy or sell a future at a pre-specified price. Just like this, if market when NSE is trading, just understand with the example, then more comfortable to you. Strike price, because someone trade in a strike, but don't know what is strike price. What's the definition of what the layman person can understand strike price? Market is trading at 15,000 and you buy a call or 15,200 call. So you make a bet. Okay, I am buying a future of 15,200 rupees, whatever the price in the market. If market goes to 16,000, but you will get a future of 15,200. If on expiry, you take from seller and sell the market price is 16,000, but you will receive at 15,200. That's why you paid the premium to seller. Seller loss is your profit. Always in a market zero sum game. Buyer profit always seller loss, or seller profit always a buyer loss. But seller get only and only premium. So, but sometimes we are confused in a put side. Because with all the video, let's take an example of call. At put side, we can say let's suppose it to call. But let's understand. If my viewer is bearish, so I want to sell something. So I sell. If market trading at 15,000 and you will sell 15,000 put. Now market traded at, sorry, sell के जाएंगे अगर, if we go for the sell, then your view is bullish, or you want your viewer is bearish, long put 15,000 put. Whatever the price in the market, you sell, so you receive what the price currently you sold. Doesn't matter where the market goes up and down. If market goes up, then obviously you paid what? You paid what you paid. Premium just, and if what you are completely view is completely damn right, then what will you get? You get total amount below that 15,000. If market is now 14,000, you will get 100, 1,000 rupees multiplied by the lots, whatever you quantity hold. But one thing I told you, because we are in the market of options, we work in lots only. I will not buy less than 75, more than 75. In Nifty cases, Bank Nifty cases, 25, not less than, not more. I will make a quantity multiple of 75 or multiple of 25 in Bank Nifty cases. So I think this is the clear for strike price. Now go for the ITM, ATM, OTM. Someone is very confusing about the what is ITM, what is ATM, what is OTM. So I will give you a very simple example through what is ITM, what is ATM, and what is OTM. Yep. ITM. ITM full form is intrinsic time value in the money. Sorry, in the money. Intrinsic आगे आएगा. In the money options. In the money मतलब at the time you bought of option. At the time you bought the option. At the time option is also in the money. Means you have bet market will go above the 15,000. But market is also trading 15,200. What's the mean? You are betting at 15,000 call, but market is trading at 15,200. So 200 points in the money. So 200 points. You are betting more less than that. If you say it's three things: in the money, ATM, at the money, and OTM, out of the money. In the money, when you are betting the strike price, at the time market is trading above the strike price in a call side, and when you sell, just like market is trading at, just call और put अलग अलग कर लेते हैं, we differentiate the thing. Call means what? For a buyer and for a seller, in the money will never change. In the money, it buyer will be also and seller. So for a call, if market trading at 15,000 and you are, this is a, you can say CMP. CMP means current market price 15,000, and you are betting call 14,800. Market will go up by 14,800, but market is currently trading at the 14,800. So the difference 200 points is the in the money difference. If currently market is trading above the 200 points, so that's why you buy, and 200 points initially you buy the stock 14,800, 200 point in the money, market expires current right now, you will get 200 points. But seller is not fool. Seller know that. Seller know your risk also, and know currently this is the money I will definitely for sure lose upfront. That's why he take a premium more than 200 rupees from you. This is the in the money concept. And a put size, we can say put, if, if you are right to sell means if market trading at 15,000 or you want to sell in the money put, so you what you want to sell over and above the 15,000, you sell the strike price of future 15,200 NSE future. I'm not writing a property. You can understand why my words. Market CMP is 15,000 and put strike is 15,200. You want to sell 15,200, but currently market is trading at 15,000. So what will happen? You initially get 200 points. So put seller gives you whatever the premium more 2,000, then your risk, then HRR risk he will take from you. This is the in the money concept. Now go for the ATM. ATM is same whatever market trading and what strike you choose. If market trading has 15,000 and you choose 15,000 call or put anything else, this is same call and put both. If market trading 15,000 call also in ATM, put also be ATM. Okay, ATM matlab if you choose right now for a static future, you choose 15,000 call buy, and market just stop 3:30 Thursday 15,000. What you get zero, nothing, because you buy from 15,000 and you will sell 15,000 on 15,000. You will not get anything. That's why no premium at ATM, out of the money. Out of the money means market is trading, CMP is 15,000 and you are betting market will go up more than 15,200. Yeah, I want to buy a future at 15,200. So you bought a call of 15,200. But right now market is 15,000. From 15,000 up to 15,200, market will move by 200 points. Then will reach the destination where you want more than ever. So that's why you making bet. Yeah, you are damn sure you will complete the ride, then you will get the money. Yeah, less than the in case market will expire more than your traded price, but less than your bet. If market expires 15,100 and your bet was 15,200 call, then what will you get? You get nothing because your bet was the 15,200 more than market will expire. That not happen. So you will lose the premium. Yeah, we will not talking about the premium because anyway premium is goes out. So I think understand the OTM and but in a push side OTM concept is any type of confusion. Sorry, you can comment my video. I will definitely explain to you. Put, excuse me. Yep. Now 15,000. In case market trading 15,000, or you will choose 14,000. I want to sell future 14,800. You are not getting any money right now. You cannot give just like call. You are not getting money right now upfront. So this is not in the money. ऐसे भी समझ सकते हैं हम. Just like this, 15,200 you bought. If you bought now or sell now, you can get any money? No. So not ATM in the money. Market trading price and the strike price is same. Zero money. No. ATM is not an option. Now what is the remaining one? OTM. That's why OTM. Three is the only three options. You can lapse one by one. Then you can get the right answer. Then understand conceptually. Then you can understand. Initially you get the money in the money. Zero profit loss. ATM. If reach your destination, market should travel OTM, but traveling your side. Okay. So 14,800 put. If market trading at 15,000, it will be ATM. Okay. I think understand. Any confusion? Let me know. I will make a only specific video for in the money ATM OTM. Okay. Fine. Now go for the intrinsic value and time value. Intrinsic value is the value just buyer getting upfront money. Only in the money options have an intrinsic value. Other options have just a risk of option seller is getting a time value. Buyer, whatever the amount getting upfront is the intrinsic value for a seller. Just here, like here is the intrinsic value of 200 rupees, more than 200. Whatever the value is a time value, and but 200 is an intrinsic value because buyer get anyhow right now buy and sell. So in a perfect market, there is no opportunity you can get less than 200 rupees of 200 points in the money call. Same in put side. I think clear to concept of option, intrinsic value and time value. Time value complete time value is on ATM and OTM, but intrinsic value plus time value is in the money option. Now again for the open interest. Open interest means like just like open contract. We buy an option and not exercise and not sell to the other. Unless we exercise, contract will open and the all contract will exercise will be closed at the time of expiry 330. So this is it from my side. If you like the video, then share to others who want to learn. If you don't like, yeah, you don't feel this not for you, also share to others because someone should have want to have knowledge. So this video will help you out. So thanks to guys be with me. Thank you very much.